Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you how to change your name in Messenger, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to change your name using Messenger, after you open Messenger, at the top left corner you can see the three lines. Click on it. Once you click on the three line, a setting icon will appear at the top right corner. You want to click on the setting icon and it's going to bring you to this. Now once you're in this setting page of your Messenger, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called Meta Account Center. Right below Meta Account Center, you can see this option called See More in Account Center. Click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Facebook Meta's Account Center. Now once you're in the Account Center of Meta, at the top where it says Profiles, you want to click on Profiles. Once you do that, it's going to show you all of your profiles. So I want to change the name of my Messenger, and Messenger is generally linked with Facebook, so I will choose Facebook. And as you guys can see, I'm at the place where it says name, username, profile picture. So I want to change name, so I will click on name. And over here, as you guys can see where it says first name, last name, I can click on them and I can edit it and change them from over here. Now remember, once you change your name, you cannot change it for 60 days. So remember, I have already changed my name a couple of days ago, so that's why I can't change it. But in your case, if you haven't, then you can change it. But remember, once you change it, you cannot change it for another 60 days. So make sure to choose the name which you want and you should be done. So that's how you guys can change name on Facebook Messenger. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.